Trading cryptocurrencies can be time-consuming, but many investors stay ahead by using crypto trading bots. These smart tools manage crypto assets and make data-driven decisions to enhance your trading. To help you get started, we've compiled a list of the top crypto trading bot tools for 2024, including free options. Crypto Hopper. Crypto Hopper is a top AI crypto trading bot, great for all experience levels. For beginners, it offers automatic and social trading, trailing orders to buy or sell at set prices, and dollar-cost averaging to reduce risk. For pros, it allows strategy input and adaptation to market changes, simultaneous backtesting, and features like a strategy designer and market arbitrage tool. Pricing: a free plan includes 20 open positions, portfolio management, and manual trading. Paid plans start at $107.50 per month. And exchanges? Crypto Hopper connects to major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and 14 others. Pinx. Pinx is a cryptocurrency exchange with over 346 coins and handles 100 million trades daily. The best part? Pinx offers free built-in crypto trading bots. There are 16 free bots for all users, so you can choose the one that fits your trading strategy. Some options include grid trading, martingale, spot futures arbitrage, rebalancing, dip buying, BTC Moon, ETH Moon, leveraged grid, margin grid bot, and more. With a bot for practically every strategy, budget, and experience level, Pinx is a top choice for free crypto trading bots. Plus, new users get a free trial fund to test out bot strategies and see the results firsthand. Altra. Altra is a versatile crypto trading bot with customizable tools for automating and strategizing your trades. It also acts as a portfolio management tool, letting you trade on multiple exchanges from one platform. Stay updated with real-time market data, aggregated news, and a journaling feature. The Quick Scan feature alerts you to sudden market changes. Features include signal and grid bots, scaled laggers, trailing stops, and OCO. For beginners, Altra offers resources for low-risk trading, while advanced users can utilize technical analysis tools and real-time data. Altra offers a free plan that includes 2 signal or grid bots, unlimited DCA bots, and 50 price alerts. If you need more features, paid plans are available, costing up to $89 per month. In terms of compatibility, Altra supports 16 exchanges and 3 futures exchanges, providing a broad range of options for your trading activities. Mizar. Mizar is a popular trading bot platform that supports over 10 exchanges, including spot and futures markets. It features a marketplace where users can copy successful traders with ease, helping to diversify investments and learn from others. Mizar's Smart Trading Terminal allows users to automate orders, set trades directly on the chart with TradingView, and includes multi-entries, stop loss, take profit, and trailing settings. For advanced traders, Mizar offers DCA bots for risk management and automated trading. Users can also connect to other platforms via Mizar's SDK and test strategies with a paper trading option. Mizar doesn't charge a subscription fee. Users only pay trade fees, which range from 0.1% to 0.0047%. 3 commas. 3 commas is a top choice for professional crypto traders. Unlike simpler portfolio management solutions, 3 commas is complex but offers extensive customization for large-scale investors, day traders, entrepreneurs, and companies. It provides detailed control over trading strategies across exchanges, but it requires a significant investment of time to master. The platform focuses on short-term trading strategies, necessitating regular adjustments based on market changes. 3 commas offers a comprehensive suite of features, with free trials available and plans ranging from $4 to $59 per month. It supports 13 exchanges and 5 derivatives and futures exchanges. Hassen Line. Hassen Line stands out from many crypto trading bots because it can run on your personal computer, though it also offers a cloud service. Running a bot from your own PC has its pros and cons. On one hand, it may feel more secure since your API keys stay on your machine. On the other hand, your computer needs to be online 24/7, and any issues with Hassen Line might take time to resolve, as updates must be downloaded manually. Despite these challenges, Hassen Line offers a comprehensive user experience, supporting everything from signals to complex algorithmic trading and arbitrage. Their new visual editor lets traders build strategies using drag-and-drop blocks, making it easier to visualize and understand trading logic. While Hassen Line is better suited for those with some technical knowledge, it offers robust features. The basic plan starts at $9 per month and includes 3 trade bots, 15 open orders, and 1 month of backtesting, with higher plans going up to $99 per month. Hassen Line supports 23 exchanges, including decentralized and futures trading. Hummingbot. Hummingbot caters to a different audience than many other crypto trading bots. It's designed for institutional strategies, targeting professional liquidity providers and market makers on both decentralized and centralized exchanges. If you're a small-scale trader, other bots might be more suitable. But for professionals managing liquidity, Hummingbot is an excellent choice. It supports automation of arbitrage, market making, and liquidity cloning, which are not typically relevant for average traders. Hummingbot is open source, allowing users to view and modify the source code to suit their needs. It's free to use for professional liquidity providers and market makers. Hummingbot supports 19 centralized exchanges and 24 decentralized exchanges. Crypto Hero. Crypto Hero is ideal for beginners and those on a budget. It uses advanced AI to quickly create, test, and run bots, with a standout feature being simulated paper trading for testing strategies before going live. It supports technical indicators like Bollinger Bands, EMA, RSI, and stochastic RSI, and handles various strategies including long and short-term trading and dollar cost averaging. Free plans include 1 active bot and paper trading. Premium plans with full features cost up to $29.99 per month. Crypto Hero supports 10 centralized exchanges and futures markets. Tokensets. Tokensets is a top asset management tool and one of the best crypto trading bots for the DeFi market. It offers advanced trading tools and supports a range of DeFi services like Aave and Compound. Perfect for both experienced DeFi investors with limited time and novices entering the DeFi space, Tokensets allows developers to create and customize their own sets with any ERC20 asset and strategy. Novices can also benefit from established sets with impressive yield returns for easier and lower risk investment. Tokensets is free to use, with a 0.10% fee for managers trading assets within their set using Tokensets U. It supports many tokens on Ethereum, Polygon, and Optimism. CoinRule. CoinRule is a beginner-friendly crypto trading bot platform with no coding required. Founded in the UK in 2018, it helps traders set up automated strategies easily. Users can configure bots with trade rules or choose from existing strategies and use backtesting to refine them. It supports 10 exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, KuCoin, and Uniswap. Features include a crypto profit calculator, educational content, and weekly market updates. The free plan includes 2 live rules, demo rules, 7 template strategies, 1 exchange connection, and up to $3,000 in monthly trading volume. Paid plans start at $29.99 per month. If you know of any useful bot that we haven't mentioned, feel free to let us know in the comments. If you're enjoying this content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It only takes a moment, but it means a lot to me. You can also explore my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.